Hi, baby. Sit down, Mama. Sit. Lisa. Sit down. Lucy. Melanie got a hematoma. Melanie, you alright? You got a hematoma? Let me see it. Yeah, come here, Mama. You okay? You want Daddy? Vincent. Big head. Oh, Melly. Melly, you got hematoma? You got a little hematoma? Aw. You don't feel good? Still drowsy? Alright, go to sleep, Mama. Stay in the sun. Relax. Lucy, leave her alone. Lucy. Leave her, thank you. Hi, Kev. Good girl, Melanie.